It's Sunday morning. I'm going from my apartment to the center of Medjugorje, and I would like to take you in the morning. You see, it's more action now because there's a mass at 8 o'clock. There are 3 masses, as maybe you know, who have been here for the Croatian people. And the first one is at 8, I think 10, 11. And yeah, it's very warm. You have to get out early in the morning. It's better because it's too hot later on. Today we have 31 degrees Celsius, I read. So it's going to be another hot day. And imagine in summer it's 40, like 10 more. I mean, we had that sometimes in Spain, like 40 degrees, but that was exceptional. So it's even getting warmer here than in Spain. I'm looking forward to that experience, how that is going to be like. And but you can see on the strip here, you say, I always compare it a bit like Las Vegas, the strip here. It is, hello, good morning. And yeah, you see already people on the street. I may go on the other side, you can see it. There's a lot of people going to the church already. And I can choose if I go at 8, at 10, 11, then there's the English Mass at 12 as well. The German Mass, you know, all the Masses. But you see, as it's getting very hot in the morning, you see all these people on the street and enjoying like the coolness, still and freshness in the morning. See over there. And there is a mass at 8 now. You can hear the bells of Medjugorje, and I leave you with that. Isn't that beautiful? People prepare their shops on both sides, taking out 8 o'clock. And for me, it's time for a nice coffee. Have a nice coffee. Let's go on this side. See, they prepare their shops. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it, and give likes. That helps to bring up Medjugorje and the beauty of Medjugorje visible in YouTube. Wouldn't that be nice? That other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. And you see tourist bus, this one from Poland, full. People smile here. And I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church. I will have now a coffee in the morning. Here we are. And the morning mass begins. I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful Sunday. Remember, we are Hallelujah people, we spread joy. And yeah, God bless you all. I pray for you here now in Medjugorje today. Bye bye.